Hi, I'm Crisha from Amando College. Do you find difficulties in adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing polynomials? Well, I am here to help you make things easy. But before we go on with the operation, we must first understand what polynomial is. Polynomial comes from the word poly, which means many, and nomial, which means terms. Polynomial means many terms. Polynomials have constants, variables, and exponents. Example of constants are 4 and negative 28. Constant are sometimes called numerical coefficient. Example of variables which are commonly used are x and y. Take note that variables is represented by small letters. Example of exponents are 2, 3, and 4. For more example, let's take a look at this table. First example, negative 3x. Constant is negative 3, variable is x, and the exponent is 1. Second, x squared. Constant is 1, variable is x, and the exponent is 2. Last example, 10y cubed. Constant is 10, variable is y, and the exponent is 3. There are kinds of polynomials, which are monomial, binomial, and trinomial. A monomial has one term, binomial has two terms, and trinomial has three terms. Example of monomial is 3xy cubed. Example of binomial is 5x minus 8. The first term is 5x and the second term is negative 8. Example of trinomial is 5y squared minus 3x plus 11. Now let's go on to the operations in polynomial. First one is addition. In adding polynomials, we add the numerical coefficients of like terms. Like terms are terms having the same variable and exponent. Let's have this example. 2a plus 3b plus negative 4a plus 5b. 2a and negative 4a are like terms as well as 3b and 5b. So 2a plus a negative 4a is equal to negative 2a and 3b plus a 5b is equal to 8b. The final answer is negative 2a plus 8b. The second operation is subtraction. In subtracting polynomials, we subtract like terms. To do this, we change the algebraic sign of the subtrahend or what is to be subtracted. Then we proceed to addition. Let's have this example. The quantity 2a plus 3b minus the quantity negative 4a plus 5b. Let's put it this way. We copy 2a plus 3b and 4a and 5b. According to the rule, we change the sign of what is to be subtracted. So negative 4a becomes positive 4a and positive 5b becomes negative 5b. Then we proceed to addition. 2a plus 4a is equal to 6a and 3b plus negative 5b is equal to negative 2b. The final answer is 6a minus 2b. The third operation is multiplication. In multiplying polynomials, we multiply the numerical coefficient of two terms and we add their exponents. Example, 9x squared times 2x cubed is equal to 18x raised to 5. We can also multiply binomial by a binomial, and it is applicable to use the FOIL method. What is FOIL method? F stands for first term, O stands for outer term, I stands for inner term, and L stands for last term. Let's have this example. The quantity 2x minus 3 times the quantity 4x plus 2. First term, 2x times 4x is equal to 8x squared. The outer term, 2x times 2 is equal to 4x. The inner term, negative 3 times 4x is equal to negative 12x. The last term, negative 3 times 2 is equal to negative 6. We simplify this one, it becomes negative 8x. Copy 8x squared and negative 6. The final answer is 8x squared minus 8x minus 6. The last operation is division. In dividing polynomials, we use the log method. Let's have this example. 2x cubed plus 8x squared plus 8x divided by x plus 2. Let's put it this way. 2x cubed plus 8x squared divided by x plus 2 is equal to 2x squared. Then 2x squared times x plus 2 is equal to 2x cubed plus 4x raised to 2. We subtract this 2, the answer is 4x squared. We bring down positive 8x. Then 4x squared plus 8x divided by x plus 2 is equal to positive 4x. Then positive 4x times x plus 2 is equal to 4x squared plus 8x. We subtract this 2, the answer is 0. But the final answer is 2x squared plus 4x. Now, let's check your own understanding. Try to solve this. Number 1, addition. The quantity 3x plus 5y plus the quantity negative 5x minus 2y. Number 2, subtraction. The quantity 4x plus 3y minus the quantity negative 6x minus 2y. The third one is multiplication. The quantity x minus 4 times the quantity x plus 2. The last one is division. 2x cubed plus x squared minus 8x minus 10 divided by x minus 2. I hope you learned something out of my short discussion. Remember, math is fun when you understand. Thank you.